Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today's video I will show you how to fix mail app icon missing on iPhone in iOS 16. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So guys, sometimes the application is removed from the home screen of our iPhone, but it remains in the application library. First, to find the mail app, go to the app library and search for mail in the search bar. So guys, you can see that the mail app has appeared. Pick it up from here and move it to the home screen. Method 2 is check screen time menu. Guys, we can hide the mail application from the screen time. So you should check the screen time that the mail application is not hidden from here. For that, go to the settings menu on your iOS device. Swipe down and tap on screen time. Now swipe down again and tap on content and privacy restrictions. Here, make sure that the content and privacy restrictions is turned on. Now go to allowed apps. Here, make sure that the mail app button is turned on. So guys, as soon as you turn it on, your mail application will appear on the home screen. If you turn it off, the mail app will disappear. As you can see, after turning off this button, the mail application has disappeared from the home screen. Method 3 is reinstall the mail app on your device. Guys, even if you have deleted the mail application, you can get it back. But how? Go to the App Store. For that, on the App Store, tap on search bar and type mail. After typing the mail app, now swipe down to find your mail app and tap on it. Then tap iCloud icon next to the mail to install the application. Now it will be installed in your iPhone. That's it. Like and share this video with your friends. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.